Hello CraftDee family, and welcome to another video by She's So CraftDee. It's shopping Sunday and the truck just arrived with more fun goodies for only $1.25 and a few new plus items that I didn't want you all to miss out on. Now I love sharing all the new finds with you all so you know what to look out for on your next shopping trip. So let's dive in. Now I am starting off in health and beauty because look what I spotted. These are those heat resistant mats that you can use for curling irons and straighteners, but you can also use these for your hot glue guns. So definitely pick one up for your craft room. They also have these Wet n Wild kits. Now the fun thing about this is there's two items in each bag. So they have a brow and lash brush along with facial gems in this one. Another one that I spotted was that same brow and lash brush, but this one also has like an eyelash curler and an eyebrow pencil. The third one that I did find, look, they have a 2-pack of lashes in here. So you're getting these packs still for $1.25, but you're getting 2 items in each of them. Now the last one does have one of those brown lash brushes, but you can see it also has a detail bent brush inside too. So be on the lookout for those. Another item, these 3-pack of beauty blenders. Now these are really cute. Girl Boss Blend is what they're called. I've been seeing the 3-packs lately. Now last week I featured another 3-pack like this, but this is in more of a pastel colorway. So I'm just letting you know they do come in multiple colors. So this one's more of pastel. If you want more neutral, they did have like a black, a tan, and kind of a pink color. So they have 3 of them that I've seen so far, all $1.25. Have you guys tried this new cuticle remover? I've never seen it before. I do so many crafts and wood projects. My cuticles are always jacked up. So if you guys have tried this, let me know how it works down in the comments below. In the baby section, did you know that they have a moisturizing lip balm for babies? I've never seen this before, but I definitely had to feature it, and it's made by the Salt Range brand. They also had these huge 32-ounce bottles of bubble bath there, and this is the first time I'm seeing this item at my stores, a huge bottle at a great price of $1.25. They have the Prang 36 count colored pencils out, you guys. These are name brand pencils for $1.25. If you look online, Walmart is actually selling these for $9.49 a package. So Dollar Tree for the win on this package. In the craft section, these paddle boards are back. I'm glad to see those back because it gives me ideas for Christmas. These are all wood, so they can be stained as well as painted. This was the only thing I did see in the craft section that I really did want to feature. Now here's a different item. This is a random item. This is a Shock Doctor mouthpiece for women. I have never seen it. So if you have a person who does sports, a woman that does sports and wants mouth guards, they did have this Shock Doctor brand at the Dollar Tree. So it was kind of hidden in a weird place at my store, but I did look online. Walmart did sell them. They sold out, but they range about $14 to $15 online. So you can get it from Dollar Tree. In the food section, I found this new brand, Pacific Foods red pepper and tomato soup. Now, the great thing about it is that this is a certified organic soup. And now that winter is just around the corner, it's great to stock up on all these wonderful soups around this time of year. In the cleaning section, I saw this pure baking soda. Now, this is not the one you clean with. To cook with. You want to clean with this one. So do not cook with this one here. But they did have this, a new item for $1.25. Now, they have been getting a lot of socks, but oh my goodness, I must have hit the mother load of socks at this trip. All kinds of brands from the Fender brand, lots of foodie socks. They have Disney villains socks. All kinds of movies. I hardly ever see movies. Look, they even have like Scarface and Hey Arnold, like TV shows. Wow, they had a huge assortment of socks. Now, I don't know why the socks are going so crazy, but I tell you what, I am here for it because I am loving all of the new socks. When I come to think about stocking stuffers and little gifts, this is what I'm thinking about. And who doesn't love a fun pair of socks to kind of set off your outfit and maybe have a conversation piece? So you could get these Disney, all kinds. And if you don't pick up those spam socks, you gotta have a pair of those. So definitely be on the lookout at Dollar Tree for all of these fun foodie, movie, Disney, and name brand product socks. They also have Looney Tunes. These are so nostalgic. So I grew up with Bugs Bunny, Taz, Marvin the Martian, and Donald Duck. I grew up with all of these. So they did have 4 pairs at my store featuring the Looney Tunes characters. And if you have a Barbie fan, they did have 4 new pairs of Barbie socks available as well. These are all in a Barbie theme, all for $1.25. So be on the lookout for those too. So now I'm going to hit up the Halloween section because there's some items here I didn't feature in my video, but they just arrived and I want you guys to take advantage of some of these deals. Now they have these little candy containers. I love these because I love to craft with them. You can use these as is, but I love to craft with these. They have 4 new patterns for this year. Now what I did with these is I actually painted them, put labels on them, and then painted the lid for little jars that you could use all year round. Take the lid off. You can actually put a faux floral or faux greenery inside. The description box will contain the DIY instructions for those. Another Halloween item that I spotted were these little wood plaques that are shaped like little mason jars. They have little corrugated metal at the top, also tied off with jute twine just to give it that final touch. And these triple stack pumpkins are always a favorite because if you don't use it for Halloween, flip it over. No man. So I love that these are multi-purpose. They have this jack-o'-lantern style, and or also you could choose this style as well. So a couple to choose from there. For outside, they have all of the solar lights for Halloween in your tombstone, your ghosts, skulls, and jack-o'-lanterns. You could put these outside around your home. Look at this little crystal ball looking globe. So it does have kind of an iridescent kind of finish. It screws off at the bottom so you could put decorations inside, lights. I think if you really go at it, you could put some really cute decor inside of these. And these spiders are back. Now, I don't like spiders, but look at the body of this one. The intricate design, very, very pretty. They have these little triple stack decor pieces. Now these make sound and they have lights. So you get double the entertainment from these. It has an on-off switch at the bottom. And again, these are all just $1.25. If you're having a party or get together for Halloween, look at these little trays. These are skull-shaped trays, and look, they have silver, black. They have this kind of rainbow ombre that's really, really pretty, and a couple of different styles. And they even have like a gold one at the end here that has a pink shimmer on it. So you can see they did have a variety of all kinds of different ones that you can choose from. Bottles like flasks and beakers, they have them printed with poison on them in a Halloween theme. I thought these were really neat because these can also be DIY. Now these are plastic and not glass, so they are more durable, so no worries if you drop them, they should hold up okay. They also have these little coffins returning, and these also have that holographic finish on them. These bottles are another one of my favorites. They do come in Halloween colors like orange, purple, like an auburn, and a gray, but I love that they're not labeled, so you can decorate them and upcycle them any way you like. And then they have these hanging skeletons. I thought these were neat because they have a couple of different colors, and that white one even glows in the dark. This little pick your poison sign does come back from last year, but I was looking at it and I could definitely DIY it to make perfume bottles and add to my vanity. Here's another one that these are the triple stack signs. These are the really thick ones that the Dollar Tree has. So this one has jack-o'-lantern with Happy Halloween. We have a ghost one here with Boo to You. That one's cute. And then they have this one. This is a Hocus Pocus one. So they did have 3 different styles inside of this box. And if you're a fan of the garland frame designs, they had a bunch of them, from jack-o'-lanterns, witch hats, spiders, and bats. They even have little cats at the end, so they did have a variety available. Now, if you are looking for the El Dia de los Muertos decor, they did have Day of the Dead there at the Dollar Tree. I know someone asked me in my comments if I had seen any of them. They had this really long sign. They also have like the candy skull signs here. These are the large signs here that are available. If you're looking for dinnerware and plates, they have this large plate, almost as big as a charger, and that one does say Day of the Dead on the front. They have the smaller one that's more of like a salad plate style. That coordinates with the larger plate. And if you want a large platter, they have these large platters. I think these are a very large size for the price of $125, so they did have those as well. Here's some more Day of the Dead items. This is the candy skull. It has the little kickstand in the back. Now, the only cup that I did find, this is the coffee cup. They have the little candy skulls dancing all over there or playing instruments. This is the only design that I did see, but it does come double insulated with a lid. And then if you wanted wine glasses, these are really real glass. They have the candy skulls on those as well. So now I'm going to walk over to the plus section to see what they have. There are a few things, and I'm continuing on with the Halloween because I didn't feature these the first time. So they have these really tall cones. Now this one kind of looks like candy corn, and it's really thick plastic, but it's supported with a metal ring inside so it does not collapse. Imagine putting a battery operated light inside on your porch. It would be really cute. And I also saw this guy. This is a skeleton. I thought this was neat. Now the great thing about this is posable. It only takes 3 AAA batteries. It has music and it has lights. How neat is that? So I can imagine all the different ways you can use this guy. These candles are really great and I love them. They're all strung together and they're not necessarily creepy like Halloween. So you can use these in all kinds of year-round decor as well. And it comes with a remote. So for $5, I think that is a really great deal. They didn't have many kids costumes, but I did find this pizza one for the pizza lover in your family, and it does have a one size fits most kids. This was a really great deal. They have this 10-pack of Dockers brand socks. I love finding the name brands at Dollar Tree. Now on the back here, it says that these retail for $24. Now they're only $5 at the Dollar Tree. This is an amazing deal. They had a combination of gray, white, and black. They have the longer socks as well. Now these do come in a 6-pair pack. Again, when these retail with prices in the 20s, $5 is definitely a steal. Think about Christmas and holidays, even donation. I think these would be a great item to grab. Next to it, they had this set called L. These are the low cut socks. These are also in a 10-pair pack in gray and white colorways. For automotive, they had a lot of STP items. So they did have the STP gas injector, fuel injector treatments. Let me tell you, a lot of STP type of items. They also have this son of a gun. This is the tire shine, and they did have the son of a gun wipes. Now, all of these son of a gun and STP items are only $3 at the Dollar Tree. Now, last week I featured a wall of new tools, and look at it this week. When I say grab the item when you see it, now you know what I mean because they totally clean this section out. Also, can you believe it? They're starting to put Christmas out at my Dollar Tree. Now, I didn't stick around for them to unpack everything, but next week I'll bring you what they put out. Now, if you missed my shopping video last week featuring even more fun finds at the Dollar Tree, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today. And if you want to see the items I've created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you can check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of items that will inspire you to get creative too. Now, before I go, I just wanted to say thank you for sticking around to the end. And now, a few videos back, I did feature these Halloween themed tier trays that come in 4 different styles from the Dollar Tree. And I did pick up a few extra for a giveaway. Now, I will be giving away one of these trays in your choice of a spider web, ghost, bat, or a skull design to one lucky winner. Now, it's really easy to enter this giveaway. First, just leave a comment below answering this question. What were your top 3 favorite items in this video? Now, this contest closes on Tuesday, August 20th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so be sure to comment before this time. Now, most importantly, make sure you are subscribed and have your notifications turned on so you won't miss the notification if your comment is selected as the winner. Now, since some of the winners of my past drawings never claim their prizes, I will draw 3 finalists, and the first to respond and confirm your entry will win the prize. Now be sure to check back on Wednesday, August 21st to see if you are selected by checking my top pinned comment in the comment section, and I will also respond directly to your comment if you are a winner. Now to confirm you understand this, you must leave a ghost emoji or the word ghost in the comment along with your answer to today's question to be entered into the drawing. Now it's important to know that this contest is not sponsored by YouTube, and we are solely responsible for conducting the contest and delivering the prize to the winner. So please be sure to read the full list of rules in the description box below to make sure you meet all of the requirements for a valid entry. I wish each and every one of you good luck in the contest. Now listen, if you love shopping at Dollar Tree as much as I do, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know your most exciting find at Dollar Tree this week. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. It's absolutely free. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.